Deere & Company, the world's largest farm equipment maker, has raised its profit outlook for the full year as supply chain challenges eased and a strong farm economy helped bolster demand for farm equipment even at higher prices. Here are some key points about how Deere achieved this impressive feat. Deere reported net income of $1.283 billion for the fourth quarter of fiscal 2021, up 70% from the same period last year, and $5.963 billion for the full year, more than double the previous year's earnings. Deere attributed its strong performance to solid execution, benefits of its operating model, and favorable crop prices and economic growth that boosted demand for its products. Deere also raised equipment prices to offset rising costs of materials, shipping, and labor, and did not see any significant impact on customer demand or market share. Deere increased its net income forecast for fiscal 2022 to a range of $6.7 billion to $7.1 billion, up from a previous estimate of $6.5 billion to $7.0 billion. This implies earnings per share of $21.36 to $22.68, well above analysts' expectations. Deere expects worldwide agriculture and turf equipment sales to grow between 25% and 30% in fiscal 2022, driven by strong fundamentals in the farm sector and increased adoption of its precision agriculture technology. Construction and forestry equipment sales are also projected to rise between 5% and 10%, supported by economic recovery and infrastructure spending. Deere's impressive results and outlook demonstrate its resilience and innovation in the face of challenging market conditions, and show how it is delivering value to its customers and shareholders. John Deere is a global leader in manufacturing and delivering a wide range of products, from combines and tractors to marine engines and utility vehicles. To achieve this, John Deere relies on a complex and efficient supply chain that involves thousands of suppliers from around the world. Coordinating and collaborating with this network requires digital solutions that can handle the challenges of procurement, sourcing, cost control, shipping, customs, and final delivery. But what happens when a global pandemic and major supply chain disruptions threaten to derail the production and delivery of John Deere products? How can John Deere adapt and respond to the changing needs and demands of its customers and dealers? How can John Deere maintain its competitive edge and reputation for quality and innovation? The answer is Scrum and Scrum at Scale. These are agile frameworks that enable teams to deliver value faster, better, and cheaper. Scrum is based on 3 pillars: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Scrum teams work in short iterations called sprints, where they plan, execute, review, and improve their work. Scrum at Scale is a way of scaling Scrum across multiple teams and functions, without adding complexity or bureaucracy. Scrum at Scale allows teams to coordinate and align their efforts, while maintaining autonomy and flexibility. John Deere's supply chain solutions teams have adopted Scrum and Scrum at Scale as part of their Agile Operating Model, AOM, which also includes DevOps, organization design, and a modernized technology stack. By using Scrum and Scrum at Scale, these teams have been able to accomplish what other major manufacturers could not successfully navigate the challenges caused by a global pandemic and major supply chain disruptions. The results speak for themselves. The supply chain solutions teams have improved their cycle time by 79%, meaning they can deliver value to their customers faster. They have reduced their time to market by 66%, meaning they can respond to changing needs and demands quicker. They have increased their output by 448%, meaning they can deliver more features and functions per sprint. They have increased their number of deploys by 567%, meaning they can release more updates and improvements more frequently. They have reduced their overall costs by 20%, meaning they can optimize their resources and budget. And they have improved their team NPS score to 60, meaning they have a high level of employee engagement and satisfaction. These are remarkable achievements that demonstrate how John Deere has used Scrum and Scrum at Scale to create adaptive and resilient supply chain solutions in the midst of disruption. By embracing these agile frameworks, John Deere has not only survived but thrived in a challenging environment. John Deere has shown how it can deliver more value faster, better, and cheaper to its customers, dealers, suppliers, and stakeholders.